Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this, putting the sun behind. While that other video was loading just now, I thought maybe there's a better way to make the sun, but maybe not. I'm not 100% sold on this, but it would give you a different look. So let's take the sun and let's fill it in with that orange and take away the outline. And then let's make a yellow, fill it with yellow, take away the outline. And put it about there, and then grab your blend tool, and I'm going to blend it across there, and I'm going to give it 100. But here's what I started thinking about doing. We've got a yellow ball up here. Well, if we select that, we've got it. I'm going to put an outline around it so you can see that it's there. I'm going to make a duplicate and move it over. But I'm going to make it, well, you know what? Let's go a little further. Let's take this away. So we just have our orange. Let's take away the outline. Let's make it white. But then I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to put a little bit of yellow. Just make it a faint, I started adding green. You know what? Let me start over. Yellow, hold down the control button. Well, make it white. Make it a less bright of a yellow. Put it in there. Grab your blend tool and blend it. And I need to set that back to 100. But now you've kind of got a yellow ball. Well, what if we took this and made a duplicate and made that ball white and then put it back? Then go to Effects and Blur and Gaussian blur it. Because there's yellow behind it, we can go pretty stout with the blur and kind of really blur out that white. To me, it almost looks like more of a real sun. And then of course, our tree got real little, but bring our tree in and put it in front, go up to Object, Order, Front of Page. It kind of, I don't know. The other is just as good. I just thought, there's an idea to let people know that you could change the color of that center of that blend. Well, if you brought it up in there where it really looked like it was shining through the tree. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.